2005 PT Cruiser. It's got a bunch of vibration coming from the front. I'm thinking it's a motor mount. I don't have nobody here to help me, so set your cell phone up, record it, get in the car. If it's a 5-speed, you gotta let off the clutch a little bit. If it's automatic, just put it in drive, hold the brake, give it a little gas. See the motor rocking, then I can start pinpointing which motor mount is bad in this thing, because that's where the vibration's gotta be coming from. Turbo 5-speed, and this motor mount's bad. That's what's causing vibration. A lot of people will see that bolt right there and try to take it off with it on here. Do not do that. You take this 18 millimeter out, these two 15 millimeters out, and I see people fighting to get this out of this car. Pretty simple. Slide it back and out. Watch. One-handed. Back. And then up and out. And then you take an 18 millimeter and take that out. But you can see right there how bad that motor mount is. It's cracked right there almost all the way through. Cracked all in there, all the way around, if you can see with the light under it. Cracked all the way through there, and then back up in and around there. So bad mount. This should fix the vibration problem, but you have to take this take that out, that 18 out, and then you bolt this to the new mount. Okay, so I got the new motor mount in. Super easy job, anybody can do it. Make sure that you support your vehicle with, put a block of wood under that oil pan there and put a little pressure on there so your motor ain't moving around when you take these mounts off. I got the top one done. So while we're at it, I went ahead and bought the bottom right here. Bought the bottom one here. I call this one a dog bone. This one, because usually if that top one's blown out, then that bottom one's getting wore out too from the stress from the top one. So we're gonna climb under here, see what kind of tools we need, and see if we can't change that. Okay guys, we're under the PT Cruiser here. You have this motor mount right here, runs from there to there. That one kind of looks different. It's got that big plate on the end of it. I don't guess that matters, but I can see cracks in this one already from down here. But you got to take a 15 millimeter bolt off right here, and then you need to take this bar off. Let me show you. You're taking this off and this bar off, or actually you're not taking the bar off. You're going to loosen it up there with a 15. Just loosen it up, and then this will pull out of the way to where you can get to this one, which I think is 18. You'll probably need a deep well. I'm going to use a crescent wrench, whatever. But yeah, 15, loosen the top 15. This is going to slide out of the way. I'll show you after I slide it out of the way when I loosen the top one. 18, this will screw all the way out. And then I think we got an 18 here. and then this one will pop out of the way. Make sure you got your car jacked up, or some pressure on that so the motor don't fall. Okay, I've loosened it up at the top there. All you do now is just, see how loose it is? Just pull it out of the way. Just like so. Now you can get to this one, pull that out. Okay guys, so I lied to you on the size of this. This is actually a 21 millimeter on this one. Now, just unscrew it. You already got your back one out. And she should just slide right out, just like that. Pretty simple. Let's inspect this one. Oh yeah. Got some cracking in here. Some cracking in here. The rear looks okay. We'll keep that one for if that one's ever better for another one, or I'm gonna polyfill it. So then you just slide your new one in there and there. That don't look long enough. Yeah, it is. There and there. Just so it won't fall out. Okay, so I got it back on. Screw that all the way down. You need a deep wheel 18 or a crescent wrench or ratcheting wrench, something like that. Slide your bracket back on here. You're going to want to tighten this up with your 15 millimeter, and then do not forget the top side up here's loose now, so we got to tighten it up too. Okay, do not forget that one. People forget that one. Do not forget that.